people say, "Look at the cute doggy," until they find out I'm Fang the Terrible, wild, ferocious, and mean. Actually bit a couple of ankles when I was young. Well, they don't know that as a puppy, I was hit and abused, which made me scared and sad. But now I'm a teenager, 16 years old, not sure how old in dog years. I've forgotten the past and forgiven those who hurt me. I really enjoy being Fang the Terrible. I'm enjoying life's sweet wonders. So you're wondering how I do that? Well, I keep an open mind. I'm aware of the awesome world all around me. I smell the flowers. Sometimes I water them. I'm curious about each new moment. I choose happiness because I can. If it's to be, it's up to me. Some dogs have a miserable life. I'm a lucky dog. I enjoy snacks many times a day. Sometimes super special snacks. After I clean a plate, it's ready to be put right back on the shelf. My daily workout, I don't always love it, but it gives me a purpose, moving one paw right after another, joyfully doing my daily dog walking meditation. It's fun getting out in nature, walk to the park, in the mountains, or at the beach. Just look up and truly see the sky. I get out of my comfort zone, sometimes even go out in bad weather. Not so sure about crossing deep puddles, though. They call me Terrible because I never take a bath. I'm small, but I realize I'm part of something bigger. This world gives me a sense of awe. Me and my sister used to adventure and just lay around. Sadly, she crossed the Rainbow Bridge a year ago. After losing her, I guess I quickly went through the 5 stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. I have outlived her and those who were mean to me. I'm still here and I feel content. I say, never stop learning. Maybe you learn a new song. Finally, I learned to play my favorite tune, about a doggy in the window.
Hey,
I'm Fang the Terrible, a really contented doggy.